then on 13/4/2018, she expires, succumbing to the injuries. 14/4/2018, complaint was lodged by the son of the deceased against the three neighbors who assaulted his mother, and pointed out the place of the assault, and also a stone was recovered at their instance, which was used in the alleged assault. The brother of accused number 3, who works in the police department, he comes and gives a video to the police saying the son, who is the de facto complainant, has confessed before him saying he killed his mother.
The issue is even that accused, he also died in meanwhile. His death also they suspected it. They wanted investigation to be done by CID. There is a lapse in investigation. The investigation is not up to the mark.
Then it would lead to failure of justice if we permit further proceedings only on that.
No, there is no.
The main accused are moving scot-free now. Just because the de facto complainant who became accused is dead, that does not mean that the persons who actually committed the crime can escape the clutches of law.
Yes, madam.
I've sought for reinvestigation in this matter, Your Lordship.
Mm.
On 14/4/12.
Why reinvestigation?
Yes, Your Lordship. 12/4/2018, the deceased, Akama, was assaulted by 3 accused persons, her neighbors. And that evening, the son of the deceased asked her whether he can take her to the hospital. Then she says she would go to the hospital tomorrow and also lodge a police complaint. And then on 13/4/2018, she expires, succumbing to the injuries. 14/4/2018, complaint was lodged by the son of the deceased against the 3 neighbors who assaulted his mother. And 14/4/2018, all the 3 neighbors were arrested. And after they were arrested, Your Lordship, if I may take Your Lordship to the remand application at page number 48, Your Lordship. In the remand application, all these 3 accused pointed out the place of the assault, and also a stone was recovered at their instance, which was used in the alleged assault.
What charge is the investigation finding eniga?
Investigation finding, Your Lordship, till 5/6/2018, ಈ 3 neighbors accused ಆಗಿ reflect ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ investigation ನಲ್ಲಿ. All the remand applications that were filed reflected that the statements of witnesses have to be recorded. No witness statements was recorded till 5/6/2018. And in the meantime, the brother of accused number 3, who works in the police department, he comes and gives a video to the police saying the son, who is the de facto complainant, has confessed before him saying he killed his mother. He assaulted his mother because she was picking up fights with the neighbors. So based on that video recording, the very de facto complainant was made an accused. He was arrested. Then the charge sheet was filed. Only after he was arrested, the very de facto complainant was made an accused, and he was arrested. The other 3 were let out on bail, and then charge sheet.
Complainant becomes the accused now.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir.
There was no separate crime registered, even if there was a voluntary statement of the de facto complainant who turned to be an accused.
Cases of 2018.
Maybe.
Charge sheet was filed in 2018.
Ah.
They made a representation in 2018
Hmm.
saying that investigation is not correct. They wrongly implicated her, the accused in a case.
Hmm.
Thereafter, they do not take any steps.
ಈಗ 6 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
6 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ the issue is even that accused, he also died in meanwhile. His death also they suspected it. They wanted investigation to be done by CID. CID conducted investigation. They came to know it is not a case of murder. They closed it. This is also a case, my lord, unnecessarily wanted. I've seen, my lord, what she's saying. I've seen the papers. There is a lapse in investigation. The investigation is not up to the mark. There is serious lapse in investigation, but that per se will not say, my lord, that the investigation has to be now reopened and has to be investigated.
May I take Your Lordship
There
to
is
page
serious lapse in investigation.
There is serious lapse.
Then it would lead to failure of justice if we permit further proceedings only on that.
No, there is no proceedings pending. It has been dropped. The accused is died.
Accused is dead. Now complainant is complainant has become the accused.
No.
The sister of the deceased, Akama.
But for the sake of it,
accused.
don't ask, madam, if there is any
Lordship, the accused.
anything that is going to come about.
Your Lordship, it's not minor defect that has been conducted in the investigation. If I may take Your
Serious
Lordship,
lapses are there.
it's serious lapses which led the accused, the main accused, are moving scot-free now. Just because the de facto complainant who became accused is dead, that does not mean that the persons who actually committed the crime can escape the clutches of law, Your Lordship. The voluntary statement.
2008.
But all these days, what were you doing?
No, they have given, the sister of the deceased has been running a door to different forums, giving petitions.
Anything on
expecting-
record?
I have produced the copies of
That
petition.
is of 2018.
Huh?
That is of 2018.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 6 ವರ್ಷ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್?
No, they are not aware of these proceedings, Your Worship. They have approached the higher authorities. N number of petitions have been.
That is in 2018.
Till the latest date, Your Lordship.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ
She is
ಅದು?
suspected.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. I've submitted additional documents, Your Lord.
There is no additional document here.
They've also filed an application under 173(8) in the complaint that she has filed against the
Where are the additional documents, ma'am?
filed. It was filed on 29 July.
Even there is no. 1st July 2024.
Letters.
Nothing is here.
There is no representation from that there also.
ಅಲ್ಲ, representations ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Representations are there.
Something, Abhinay madam,
Sir.
that you had kept the issue alive.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'll furnish.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
This is filed subsequent, the 173.
ಕೊಡಿ,
Yeah.
let them file.
Even her brother death, that they are so-called accused. His death also
No,
there
if
question.
the accused have been let off just like that.
No, but
Let's see.
there are lapse, my lord, and I can say because
We'll see, we'll see.
the two sets of investigation. One investigation, they recover the stone from them, and they recover the sickle from him.
To cover the time gap, if you have something, please produce.
Definitely.
Yes.
Lordship, just because there's a lapse in time does not mean that the people who
Just,
committed.
I'm asking for a purpose.
Yes, yes. Much,
Produce whatever you have.
yes, yes. Much.